Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang nangyaring hearing sa Senado tungkol sa kaguluhan sa West Philippine Sea sa Ayungin Shoal. Gusto ko lang munang i-advertise na pwede nang mag-order ulit ng ating dark chocolate. Okay, ito yung number na kontakin nyo, 0916-9000-997. First come, first serve. Ang delivery mag-start first week of July. Okay, so nagpatawag si Senator Amy ng hearing sa Senado para malaman kung ano ang tunay na nangyari sa latest incident sa Ayungin Shoal. At dito, nagkasagutan si Senator Amy at Secretary Teodoro tungkol sa pabago-bagong pronouncement ng ating gobyerno. At parang lumalabas, nakakaya si Executive Secretary Bersamin. Okay, panoorin natin itong video ng News 5 Everywhere. After that, magbigay ako ng reaction.
Medyo nalilito ang lahat kasi nung una ang sinabi ni Senator, binanggit na rin ni Senator Ontiveros, pero ang una sinabi ni Secretary Teodoro na itong Ayungin incident, it was a true obstacle to the peace and the stability in the South China Sea. General Browner proceeded to say that this was tantamount to an act of piracy. However, last Friday, Executive Secretary Bersamin labeled the matter as a mere accident or misunderstanding. And then less than 48 hours later, Secretary Teodoro again said this is not an accident. Are we flip-flopping with the characterization of what occurred? It seems fairly clear from what we heard from our Navy and our Coast Guard what occurred, what exactly occurred, and how do we term it? Kasi hindi rin kami nakakaintindi at litong-lito na ang mamayang Pilipino sa naririnig na parang paiba-iba naman ata tayo. Secretary Teodoro.
Thank you very much for the opportunity. The Executive Secretary was interviewed on the aftermath of the the second National Maritime.
Gibo, that was 5 days after the incident.
Yes, ma'am.
And it can hardly be a preliminary assessment 5 days after.
At that time, ma'am.
5 araw nakalipas. Nasabi na ni General Browner, piracy ito. So he was able to conclude that. Why did the ES Bersamin conclude something completely different?
No, he did not conclude, ma'am. If you notice, being a Chief Justice, he used the terms probably, and he wanted to make sure of his facts.
I think there was no probably about the mere misunderstanding or accident.
No, ma'am, I think there was probably, if we review the transcript, and he was asked about whether or not it was considered an armed attack. And somehow, it was in answering that question, he said it was probably even a misunderstanding or what.
I'll have to review the same, but
I distinctly recall, ma'am. I think
is it so?
Yes, ma'am. I think the staff can check the record of the
regardless, it gave the impression that you were downplaying the incident following the meeting of the National Maritime Council. Kaya nalilito po tayo kasi nung umpisa, pirata na to. At saka talagang aggressive and illegal act of attack, ano? Pagkatapos noon, naging misunderstanding na lang.
No, after that, ma'am.
So,
we have
medyo nahihilo na kami. Hindi na namin paano ipaliwanag to eh.
Dating Chief Justice po si ES, sigurado po siya dapat sa facts niya bago yun ho ang disiplina niya, yun ho ang training niya. Now, before this
5 days after the National Security Council, the DND didn't have enough information.
For 2 to 3 days, ma'am. We were
the former Chief Justice.
No, ma'am. It was the first time that we had met. As a matter of fact, during the incident, the Chief of Staff and I were in Korea to launch the 2 ships that are going to be delivered. So we had to hurry home and get stock of the situation because right now, ma'am, we're really implementing the area command concept where the primary decision maker will be the area commander.
I'm a little confused because 5 days later there wasn't sufficient information, but General Browner already told us talagang lumaban mga Pilipino with their bare hands. I distinctly recall that. This was before the National Maritime Meeting. Are we saying that nobody from NMC, DND, and SA bothered to ask General Browner?
No, there were,
Anong
ma'am.
ibig sabihin niya nun?
We did, but in the NMC meeting, these were one of the agenda items, and the rest of the agenda items were the recommendations to the president. But even before this, the president had already scheduled a visit to Westcom, where he was able to personally spend time with each and every one. And after that, it came out already that he made a determination himself already in spite
Pero
of the
kawawa pa
NMC.
yata si ES dyan dahil
Yes, ma'am. I think so because
ano ba nangyari dyan? Parang walang proper verification, sinalang siya sa presko, nagsalita siya, ngayon linalaglag ng lahat. Anong klase yun?
hindi ho naglalaglag, but there's no intention to do that. He's our primus inter pares, naturally. But I'm just explaining the context.
Where are we now, Secretary?
We are now
Teodoro?
on the statement of the president in
Well, the
Palawan.
statement of the president was very general. We're not in the business of war.
No,
I
ma'am.
mean,
It
what
is,
is now the official characterization of what occurred in Ayungin?
which is the reason for our press conference yesterday, to clarify that the incident is not a misunderstanding.
If you
or-
would put it on record, please, since we've heard so much,
Yes, ma'am.
that is so confusing.
I think, ma'am, that if I can introduce into the record the written transcript, I will submit it later for
Thank you. But
from
in
the
general,
PCO.
if you can provide the gist for
The
those who
gist
are here
is, ma'am,
present.
it was a deliberate and deliberate attack, a deliberate aggressive action by China and an illegal use of force. So it is not a misunderstanding or an accident. And that is for the record, ma'am. Under
And
oath.
ES Bersamin, as well as former General Centino, are all in agreement with this.
Yes, ma'am.
This is now the official position.
Yes, it is.
Hindi na to magbabago.
No, ma'am, it is the position of the whole government, the executive branch of the government.
Okay, so yun na. Klaro na ang lahat. Ang official na nangyari, official characterization. No accident. It's a deliberate, nung sinulat ko, deliberate aggressive action by China and an illegal use of force. So, nakakahiya po ang Malacanang. Executive Secretary, siya at ang chairman ng National Maritime Council. Di ba, 5 days after yung incident, nag-meeting ang National Maritime Council. After that, nagbigay ng pronouncement si Executive Secretary Bersamin, dating Chief Justice. Sabi niya, it's just an accident. It's a misunderstanding. Kalokohan. Kaya ang daming nag-react na pinagtatawanan na tayo sa ibang bansa. Isang US Maritime Security expert ang nag-react, si Ray Powell. Sabi niya, it's very clear. That's not an accident. Not a misunderstanding. So, alam nyo, dahil siguro sa kapalpakan ng gobyernong ito, yun, nagbago na naman ang ano. Ang Pangulo naman, after the incident, napakatahimik. It took so many days bago siya nagsalita at nagbisita sa mga kasundaluhan natin sa Western Command. Ang bagal ng reaksyon. Kaya tuloy, nagkakalito-lito itong nasa baba niya. Tapos yung statement niya, napaka-general na, we do not want war, we will not escalate, mga ganon-ganon lang, Napakahina. Pag si Tatay Digong, just imagine, kung si PRRD ang presidente at ganyan ang nangyari. Naku, hindi na yan, kaagad, magsasalita na yan. Malalaman natin ang stand niya. Ang presidente, tahimik. Natakot. So, salamat naman. Sa wakas, natauhan ang ating executive department, executive branch natin na hindi na aksidente. Hindi na misunderstanding. Ulitin ko, sinulat ko. Official characterization is deliberate, aggressive action by China and an illegal use of force. So, lesson ito ni Secretary Bersamin. Palusot pa si Secretary Teodoro na dahil daw sa Chief Justice siya, maingat lang. I agree with Senator Remen. 5 days after the incident, hindi pa niya alam kung anong tunay na nangyari. Unang nagsalita si Secretary Teodoro, sabi niya, Ayungin Shoal is an obstacle to the peace and stability in the West Philippine Sea. Yung ginawa ng China, obstacle, nanggugulo. Tapos, very clear statement. Mabuti pa itong si General Browner. Anong sabi niya? It is tantamount to act of piracy. Yun ang tama. Bakit binago? After nag-meeting yung National Maritime Council, wala rin pala. Walang binatbat yung Maritime Council na yan. Takot magsalita again sa nangyari sa... Kaya, nadidemoralize po ang tropa. Kaya, yun, kinakailangan nila ang isang Manny Pacquiao na nagbigay ng mensahe para kunuhay, ma-high moral ang ating tropa. So, sana hindi na ito maulit itong ganitong pangyayari kasi nakakaya sa ating bansa.